In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by locating and launching Recorder app that's already on your OPPO. Then tap on the red button at the bottom to start recording, or if you wish, click on those three dots at the top right corner first and tap on Settings to manage all of those however you want to. Go back, tap on the red button, choose Allow in all pop-ups if you never used Recorder before, and enjoy recording. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photomark, on the right one. Take a pic. Discard it by clicking on this X, or add it by tapping on this check mark. You can always delete any bookmark thanks to those three dots next to it. Just hit rename or delete. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. If you wish to discard your recording completely, hit cancel at the top left corner. To end it and save it though, select save at the top right one. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. And to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, but also those three dots at the top right corner to access those options from the pop-up. By clicking on Mark or Photomark here, you can add them while listening. You can also select marks to see all of them or hide them. Then skip your recording 3 seconds each way. Tap on this button at the bottom left corner to operate those options, playback speed, and skip silences. You can tap on cancel to discard it or done to save your changes. And tap on scissors at the bottom right corner. Here you can edit your recording however you want to. Decide if you want to remove or trim chosen section. And when you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. Then name your recording and hit save again. Now, to manage any of them from here, just hold the chosen one and operate all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. If you decided to delete them, you need to enter your current screen lock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!